Good morning students. In this video I am going to explain the parameters of the field effect transistor. We know we have different values in the transistor. Those are drain current ID and gate voltage VGS and gate drain voltage VDS. Here ID is with these factors. By keeping the one is fixed at the value and remaining two are changing. That means the output current, that is ID, is depends on VGS and VDS. Depends on input voltage and output voltage, the ID will be changed. So here we are going to derive the relation between these three factors. By keeping one factor constant and we derive the relation for remaining two factors. So parameters of the field effect transistor. Here ID depends on which one and which one? ID depends on VDS output voltage and VGS. So the value of ID, if VDS is changing, ID value also changing. If VGS is increasing or decreasing, ID value also increasing or decreasing. So depending on VDS and VGS, the ID value is changing. Am I correct? Now we are going to derive some factors or parameters about these two while keeping one is constant. We have three factors. Let us discuss one by one. One is mutual conductance, or it is also known as transconductance. It is denoted by GM. So GM is the ratio of small change in output current, that is represented with ID, divided by corresponding small change in input voltage, that is represented with VGS, with constant output voltage, that is VDS. It is also equal to delta ID divided by delta VGS, with VDS held constant. So GM is the mutual conductance or transconductance. It is the ratio of small change in output current, that is dou ID divided by dou VGS. VGS is the input voltage. It is the ratio of change in output voltage divided by change in output current divided by change in input voltage. The units of GM is mhos. The units of GM is mhos. And another one is the drain resistance. Another one is drain resistance. It is represented with RD. It is represented with RD. RD is the ratio of small change in. Here D means drain. So drain terminal available at the output side. So it is the ratio of change in output voltage. We know the equation or formula for the resistance, that is voltage divided by current. So we are taking voltage and current at the output side only. So RD is the drain resistance. It is the ratio of small change in output voltage, that is VDS divided by corresponding small change in output current, that is represented with ID, at input voltage constant. Here the input voltage is VGS. It is equivalent to delta VDS divided by delta ID, keeping VGS held constant. So this is the drain resistance. We can write 1 by RD as GD. 1 by RD as GD. Here GD means drain conductance. GD means drain conductance. It is also written as GDS. Drain source conductance. So this is the drain resistance. And another one is, third one is amplification factor. It is represented with mu. Amplification factor means in bipolar junction transistor we have current amplification factor, but in field effect transistor we have voltage amplification factor. So voltage amplification factor means it is the ratio of output voltage to input voltage. So mu is equal to it is the ratio of change in output voltage to corresponding small change in mu is equal to minus change in output voltage VGS divided by VDS divided by corresponding change in input voltage, that is VGS. Here we are keeping negative voltage because keeping the output current constant we are keeping negative voltage, yet ID constant. It is also equal to change in VDS divided by corresponding change in VGS at ID held constant. To maintain the ID constant we are keeping negative sign here. So this is the current amplification factor. It is represented with mu, that is the ratio of change in output voltage divided by change in input voltage. These are the factors, parameters of the transistor. Now derive the relation among these three factors. What are the FET parameters? The FET parameters are transconductance or mutual conductance, and second one is the drain resistance, and third one is the amplification factor. Now we are going to derive the expression for these three factors. Okay? So here ID is the output current. It depends on output voltage VDS and output current input voltage VGS. So it is a function of ID is the, we can write the expression for ID. It is a function of which one and which one? It is a function of output voltage VDS and input voltage VGS. Here the output voltage VDS, a small change in VDS equal to small change in VDS is VDS comma, a small change in VDS is equal to change in VDS plus change in VDS, and a small change in input voltage, that is VGS, is VGS plus change in VGS. Now to get the change in ID, applying Taylor's theorem and neglecting the higher order terms. Applying the Taylor's theorem and neglecting the higher order terms, then you are getting ID equal to represent small change, we are indicating delta ID. So delta ID is equal to dou ID divided by dou VDS at VGS constant into delta VDS. plus delta ID divided by delta VGS at delta VGS. Dividing the above equation, dividing both sides with delta VGS, we get delta ID divided by delta VGS equal to dou ID divided by dou VDS at VGS constant into delta VDS divided by delta VGS plus delta ID divided by delta VGS. Here delta VGS gets cancelled, so we are getting here this one only. Now ID is constant. ID is constant. Then delta ID divided by delta VGS. Delta ID divided by delta VDS equal to 0. So here 0 equal to dou ID divided by dou VDS at VGS into delta VDS divided by delta VGS plus delta ID divided by delta VGS. Now substitute the parameters of field effect transistor in this equation. Substituting parameters of FET, we get, so we know that dou ID divided by dou VDS is equal to, here we have the dou ID divided by dou VDS is the resistance, VDS by ID is the resistance, but here we have ID divided by VDS. So we can substitute 0 equal to 1 by RD. And dou VDS by dou VGS is represented with current amplification factor, that is minus mu. Now place delta ID by delta VGS is equal to GM, that is the mutual conductance. So now rewrite the equation, then you will get mu equal to GM into RD. This is the relation between FET parameters. So mu is the amplification factor and GM is the transconductance and RD is the resistance. Here amplification factor is equal to the product of transconductance and drain resistance. This is the relation between FET parameters, relationship among FET parameters.